Coming out with Learn and Take Action series. In this series of videos, I will bring you those videos which are just 5 to 8 minutes, with which you can learn and implement immediately. You can learn, you can acquire so much of knowledge, but if you don't take action on that knowledge, then whatever the knowledge which you have acquired will go as a waste. So these are those videos, very short videos, 5 to 8 minutes and maybe maximum 10 minutes, which will help you to learn, and action can be taken immediately. So in this series, I will begin with candlesticks. So to begin with, I will start with basics of candlesticks, types of candlesticks, 2 consecutive candlesticks, 3 consecutive candlesticks, and how this setup will help you in deciding your trading decisions. So please subscribe to this. So you should not miss any updates on this, on candlesticks or any other series of LTA. LTA is nothing but Learn and Take Action series. So now let's begin with the candlesticks. This is a candlestick. Candlestick is nothing but a graphical representation of price with time. For example, if in a day the stock opens at this point, and if the price comes down and it will close here. For example, the opening price is 100. The closing price is 97. So this is a bearish candle, and this is known as a wick. Top and bottom wick, and this is the body of the candle. So open, close, high and low. This figure is completely explanatory. So this will be a bearish candle. Now there will be another scenario. Open, market opens at 100. And closes at 102. So this is a bullish scenario. So this entire setup is a bullish candle. Candle may be white and red. White and black. The representation will be either with green and red or white and black. So it's all the same. Any white candle and green candle or bullish candles, black candle and red candles or bearish candles. So now this is the graphical representation of the price with the volume. Now, as I told you, if the market opens at 250 and it closes at 240, after opening, immediately the price will go to 252 and the price here may come to 238. So this is a bearish scenario. This is a bearish scenario. So the market opened at 250. It went as high as 252. Again came back to the open, came down to 240. Again went down to 238, but in that time frame it closed at 240. So this scenario is bearish scenario. Now let's come to the bullish scenario. Bullish scenario is just opposite of it. Opening at 250. I will take you to the chart to explain much clearly. Closing is at 255. It went high 257. So as soon as the market opened at 250, it opened at 250 and it came down to 248. And it took a reverse and it went as high as 257 and it came and closed at 255. So this one candle itself will give us the complete information of open, close, high and low. So this is about the candles. Now let's go to this is the chart of Nifty. Let's go to the daily chart. See, this red candle signifies, the color red signifies this is a bearish candle. So the high of this candle is 17,454.75. You can see that here 17,455.75 is the high of the day. So this is the high of the day. And the low of the day is 17,303. So this is the 17,303 low of the day. The opening of the day is 17,451. So this is the opening, 17,451. Okay. And the closing is 17,374. The closing is here, 17,374. So this is a bearish candle. This is the complete day activity. It was the complete yesterday's activity. You can see the same thing in the other scripts also. For example, let's go to Tata Motors. Here, it's the same. Market opened at 503. This is 503. Opening was here. It went as high as 507. 507. Did not sustain there. Came down. Down, 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 down. Came down till 498. 498. See here, this is 498.85, came down till 498. And again, it closed at 498.85. So this is a bearish scenario. Now let's see the bullish scenario. Now let's go to a candle like this, a green candle. So let's see this candle. Let's analyze this candle. Now, the high of this candle, as you can see here, the high is here. This is See, the high of this candle is 520. The low of this candle is 498.2. It opened at 505 and closed at 517.75. So these price points give us a benchmark to this for our trading decisions. Now let me see the live chart. What's happening in the live chart? Now today, this is a chart of Bitcoin, because today is Saturday. As today is Saturday, only Bitcoin will be trading in the world market. So this is just for the study purpose. See, the high on this candle is 42,483. High of this candle is 42,483, and the low made today is 41,748. This candle is the open of the day is 42,354. See, open of the day is 42,354. Market opened here, went up a little, and it came down. So this is a red candle. Either the representation will be in red color or black color. It's all the same. So this is the red candle. This is a bearish candle, and this is a bullish candle. Hope you all understood the concept of the candlestick. So in case if you have any doubts, you can just comment in the comment box below, or you can also mail us. The mail address is given there in the description. So please subscribe this video, because all these videos are very helpful to you. Thank you.